This is just so bad. My last job at McAllister's Deli was an absolute disaster. Not to mention that my BFF Harrison's Instagram account got suspended last week because some crazy people on that social media site thought he was pretending to be a business. But luckily he is back on Instagram now, and after I get fired from this job, I am going to go and get ready to participate in my BFF Harrison's annual birthday race. Then I am going to head to his flat for the birthday party he has planned for his 21st birthday. But anyways, this is the 107th time I've been fired. 2 more, then it's 110. Where should I work at next? I know, I'm going to work at Hungry Jack's. Welcome to Hungry Jack's. How can I help you? I would like the bacon hash brown cheeseburger, large fries and a large Coke. I'm sorry, but the bacon hash brown cheeseburger is sold out. No, it's not. I can see some bacon hash brown cheeseburgers in the kitchen. Get out of here right now. That's it. I'm going to Australia McDonald's instead. I hope that I don't see you again. Welcome to Hungry Jack's. How may I help you? I would like fiery Angus grilled burger, medium fries and a medium Dr. Pepper. I'm sorry, but we're all out of grilled Angus burgers at the moment. No, you are not. I can see some fiery grilled Angus burgers in the kitchen. Those are just the steak burgers. Get out of here right now. That's it. I'm going to Australia KFC instead. I hope that I don't see you again. You did the right thing by leaving the front door, because vehicles don't even eat or drink anything at all. So thank you so much for leaving the door right now. Welcome to Hungry Jack's. How may I help you? I would like to get the 8-piece chicken nuggets combo, large fries and a large Coke. I'm sorry, but we're all out of chicken nuggets. No, you're not. I can see some chicken nuggets in the kitchen. They're just tater tots, even though we don't sell those here. But anyways, get out of this Hungry Jack's restaurant before I get the police on you. That's it. I'm going to another Hungry Jack's. I hope that I don't see you again. Welcome to Hungry Jack's. How can I help you? I would like to have the double cheeseburger deluxe, medium fries and a large Fanta orange. I'm sorry, but the drink machine is broken. No, it's not. It's working just fine. It's working fine, my rear end. Get out of here right now. That's it. I'm heading back to the United Kingdom, and when I get back there, I am going to go to Wimpy instead. Oh, I don't care. Welcome to. Get out of here right now. No flags allowed. Hey, how dare you tell me I'm not allowed at this Hungry Jack's? That's it. I'm going to travel back to the United Kingdom to go to Subway there instead. I hope that I don't see you again. Twilight sparkled the tank engine. I am very disappointed at your treatment towards the customers by being rude to them and refusing to let them have whatever they want here at Hungry Jack's. That's it. You're fired and banned from every Hungry Jack's restaurant around Australia for 8 years. Now you have exactly 21 seconds to get out of this restaurant before I get the police on you. Okay, I shall see you all next Friday at my 109th job. Bye! Thanks for watching.